Hi everyone, welcome to Chandan Logic's English YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to solve Ssc Cgl and Chsl Tier 2 reasoning question paper. So I am going to solve total 30 questions. These 30 questions are exactly based on the standard of Cgl and Chsl Tier 2 examination. I am going to solve all these 30 questions in just 18 minutes of time. Even you can also try this and comment your answer. Okay, so before starting the class, if you are looking for complete Ssc Cgl course or complete railway course or complete bank course, or if you are looking for bank SS railway combo pack or any other courses, defense course, CSAT course, any other courses, all the courses are available, and we are going to teach all the classes from basic level to advanced level. And we are going to provide you topic quiz mock exams, full length mock exams, PDF materials also for all the courses. So whatever the course you are going to look, we have all the courses. You can just call to our numbers and you can clarify all your doubts to join complete course. So now I am going to start solving the questions. So first question, this is from blood relation. A hash B means A is the father of A is the brother of B. A at the rate B means A is the daughter of B. A and B means A is the husband of B. We have the information. Okay. So they are asking the statement and they are asking how is N related to F. I told you best shortcuts to solve these type of questions. I am going to apply the same shortcut now here. So I need to know how is N related to F. So this is F and this is N. Okay. Now look, at the rate means what? At the rate means daughter. So Y is daughter of F. And means what? And means husband. Daughter's husband. Daughter's husband is nothing but son-in-law. Yes or no? Now, son-in-law daughter. Son-in-law daughter is nothing but granddaughter. Yes or no? Now, answer should be granddaughter. Now, if you observe the options, there is no granddaughter. So, the option relevant to granddaughter is daughter's daughter. Yes or no? Son-in-law's daughter or daughter's daughter, both of them are same. Yes or no? So answer for this question will be daughter's daughter, which is option 3. I hope every one of you got this answer, and make sure that you get this answer in just fraction of seconds. As I'm explaining you, I'm taking time, but if you're going to solve this in examination by using the techniques whatever I'm going to share now, you are going to solve these questions in just 15 to 20 seconds, not more than that, each question. Okay. Now look at this question. Here they are asking us to find odd pair. Okay. So here we have 4 options. Out of these 4 options, one option is different and the rest of these options are same. So we need to find which is odd. Okay, look here, 5 128, 3 30, 7 352, 1 4. Now out of these 4 options, which is odd one? I need you also to comment the answer. Make sure that you comment answer before I am going to say my answer. Everyone who is watching this video, make sure that you comment the answer. Why? The reason I'm asking you to comment answer is, if you're going to look at the question and if you're able to react spontaneously, which means your spontaneity skills, your practice is very, very good. If you're looking at the question and if you're not able to strike what is the exact logic and you're wasting your time, which means in examination tomorrow when you're going to write examination, you're going to waste lot of time in examination. So every time whenever you're looking at the question, you need to know how spontaneous you are. By just looking at the question, we need to make sure that we are going to mark the answer. Now look here, 5 128 means, now 128 I can write it as 5 cube plus 3. 5 cube plus 3 is 128. 5 cube is 125. 125 plus 3 is 128. Next, 3 cube plus 3. 3 cube is 27. 27 plus 3 is 30. Next, here 7 cube plus 3. 7 cube is 343. 343 plus 3 is 346. But here it is 352, which means this is a different one. Now let us look at this one. 1 cube plus 3. 1 cube is 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. Yes or no? Which means first one, second one, fourth one. Now all these are of same pattern, but option 3 is odd. Yes or no? So that is the reason 3 is the different one. Next question. Here if you observe, this is a very simple question based on seating arrangement. 6 friends A, B, C, D, E and F are standing in a circle facing the center. So according to the question, there are 6 persons. Yes or no? Now all these 6 persons are facing center, it seems. Okay. Now first statement, B is between F and C. Let's say this is B. So B is between F and C. Now observe here, B is between F and C means this is possible. There is one more way which is possible. B is between F and C. Yes or no? B is between F and C. So this is B, this is F, and this is C. Yes or no? So B is between FC, this is possible. B is between FC, this is also possible. Both of them are possible. Okay. A is between E and D. But here if you observe, when I say A is between E and D, here if you observe, where is E, where is D, where is A? I don't have any information. Now let us hold this statement. Look at the next one. F is to the immediate left of D. So F is immediate left of D, it seems. No, look here, F is immediate left of D. So this is F. F should be immediate left of D, which means D should be here. If D is here, F should be immediate left of D. Yes or no? Whenever they are facing center means left is clockwise direction. Yes. If F should be here means D should be here. But unfortunately here already B is there, which means this is not possible. Yes or no? Now, according to the statement, F is to the immediate left of D. So, this is D. D immediate left. D immediate left is F. Condition satisfied. Okay. Now, look at this statement. A is between E and D. A is between E and D. So, this is A. A is between E and D. So, this is D. So, this should be E. Okay. Now, what question is asking? Question is asking who is between A and F. Look here. Who is between A and F? Between A and F, who is there? Who is there means D, which is nothing but option 1. Is that clear? This is very, very simple question. Once if you are good in seating arrangement, basics, you need not be good in deep also. If you are good in basics of seating arrangement, you can solve this question very, very easily in examination in just fraction of seconds, nothing more than that. Now look at the next question. This is from non-verbal reasoning. They are asking us to find mirror image. Okay, you know what happens in mirror image. In mirror image, left will become right, right will become left, no changes in top and bottom. Yes or no? The same logic I am going to apply here. Now this is on the right hand side. In mirror image, this should come to left hand side, which means this R should come to left hand side, but R did not come to left hand side. R came, here R did not come, wrong answer, which means this one should be answer or this one should be answer. Here if you observe, R, if you observe here, it is in this way, which means this is in the top. When it is in the top, in mirror image, there will not be change in top bottom. Only left will become right, right will become left. But top bottom will not change. But here if you observe, this is actually in the top. Now it became to bottom, which means this is not mirror image. So I can clearly say that answer for this is option B. Very simple, just fraction of seconds. If you know what is mirror image, what is water image, if you know the basic difference between them, easily you can solve. In mirror image, what happens is left will become right, right will become left, no changes in top and bottom. Whereas in water image, what will happen? Top will become bottom, bottom will become top, no changes in left and right. If you know this key point, it is very easy to answer. Yes or no? And I want everyone to look at this question and comment the answer. This is question based on course of action. This is from critical reasoning. And one more thing, if you are new to our channel and if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, subscribe to Chandan Logics English YouTube channel. Okay, and don't forget, if you like this video, if you are going to like the content whatever I'm teaching, make sure that you like this video and share this video with all your friends and family members. I'm going to come across with beautiful content which will be useful for your examination, whether you're preparing for SSC, railway, banking, any examination you're going to prepare. For all the examinations, I'm going to come across with best techniques, best shortcuts, which will be helpful for you to save lot of time in your examination. Yes, you're going to save lot of time with the techniques, approaches, what I'm going to share. If you want, you can download Chandan Logics app also. In app, you'll find everything from basic level to advanced level in a structured way. Yes, in a structured way you'll find. You'll find complete arithmetic, reasoning, advanced maths, which will be almost more than 450 hours of lectures. Yes, more than 450 hours of lectures. Everything will be planned in a structured way. Yes, we have done each and every topic keenly and we have covered all the models and we have covered almost 78 topics, which will be around more than 8,000 plus questions from all the chapters together, and this course will be helpful for any examination. And the course name is Zero to Hero Batch. I will share the complete details about that also later, don't worry. If you have any notes, you can call to the number scrolling below. Look at the question. Statement: a large number of people of the city are diagnosed to be suffering from malaria disease. So statement is what? So many people in the city are suffering with malaria disease, it seems. Now, using this statement, what should be the course of action? Now, look here, course of action means, in the name itself it is very clear, action. So course of action should either solve the problem or it should try to solve the problem. Now what is the problem in the question? Problem is, in the city so many people are suffering with malaria. Now what is the course of action for it? First course of action, the city municipal authorities should take immediate steps to carry out extensive fumigation in the city. Yes, it's right. Now as there are so many people suffering because of malaria, so they're saying like what? They're saying that municipal authority should immediately go to these places and they should come across with the appropriate smoking things to kill those mosquitoes, so that it will not affect more and more people. Yes or no? Obviously, that is the reason it is said extensive fumigation in the city. Yes, true. Next one, the people in the area should be advised to take steps to avoid mosquito bites. Yes, it is also true. So we need to guide the people who are staying in those areas to avoid from mosquito bites. If they avoid from mosquito bites, obviously the number of cases because of malaria gradually decreases. Yes or no? So one is course of action, two is also course of action. So both are course of action. So one is our answer. Both are course of action. Okay. Next one. So this question is based on seating arrangement and question is based upon data sufficiency. So concept here is seating arrangement, but question is asked based on data sufficiency. Okay. Look at the question. 6 people K, M, N, P, Q and R are sitting around a circular table facing the center. Who sits to the immediate right of K? So question is asking who sits to the immediate right of K. This is the question. Okay. Now first statement, K sits third to the left of M. Only one person sits between K and N. R sits to the immediate left of N. So this is the first statement. Next one, K sits second to the right of Q. Only 2 people sit between K and M. P sits second to the left of R. This is the second one. Now observe carefully. Now we need to look at both the statements separately and we need to say whether only one is sufficient to mark the answer or only 2 is sufficient to mark the answer, or either 1 or 2 is going to get the answer, or both 1 and 2 will give the answer, or none of them, like combining after also, will not get the answer. We need to decide that, yes or no. Now let us look at that. So now according to the question, total 6 people. Yes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people. Okay. Now what is the first statement? First statement is K sits third to the left of M. So this is M. K sits third left, first left, second left, third left. Okay. K sits third to the left of M. Only one person sits between K and N. So this is K, 1%, this can be N. This is K, 1%, this can be N. So N have 2 possibilities. Next, R sits to the immediate left of N. So R sits immediate left of N. Now if this is N, R should sit immediate left. This is not possible, which means N can't come here. So definitely N should come here. So if N is here, R sits immediate left of N. So R should sit here. Yes or no? Now based on the first statement, now what is our question? Who is to the immediate right of K? Now look here, K immediate right is R, which means using statement 1 alone, I am able to get the answer. Yes or no? Using statement 1 alone, I am going to get the answer. Yes. So using statement 1 alone, I am going to get the answer, which means option 3 is the wrong answer. Why means? Option 3 means 1 and 2 together. But actually if you observe here, using 1 alone, I already got the answer. Yes or no? That is the reason here. Option 3 is going to be a wrong answer. Okay. Now look at the second statement also. Look at second statement. So second statement also, like question is saying 6%. Yes or no? Now 6%. What is the first statement? K sits second to the right of Q. Now this is Q. K sits second right, first right, second right. K sits second to the right of Q. Next, only 2 people sit between K and M. K, 2 people, M. K, 2 people, M. Which means if this is K, definitely this should be M. Next, P sits second to the left of R. P sits second to the left of R. If this is R, P should sit second left, second left, not possible. If this is R, first left, second left, not possible. So definitely this should be R. If this is R, first left, second left, this is P. So P sits second to the left of R. Yes, it's possible. Now if you observe here, according to the question, it is asking who is to the immediate right of K. K immediate right is R. Yes or no? Yes or no? Which means using 1 alone, we are able to mark the answer. Using 2 alone also we are able to mark the answer. Yes or no? Which means 1 alone is giving the answer. 2 alone is also giving the answer. So answer should be what? Data in statement 1 alone is sufficient to answer the question. And similarly, data in statement 2 is also sufficient, which means answer should be either. Is that clear? Either. Okay, either 1 or statement 2. So statement 1 or statement 2, any of them we are going to get the answer. Is that clear? Next one. So this is a simple question based on mathematical operations. So plus means minus, minus means multiplication they have given. Let us replicate them. So 5, division means what? Division means plus. 5 plus 5. Now plus means what? Minus 5. Minus means what? Multiplication. 10. Multiplication means what? Division. Okay. Now when we simplify this, what is the answer? Now first division operation, 10 divided by 10 means 1. 5 into 1 is 5. Plus 5 minus 5 gets cancelled. Finally we are left with what? 5. So answer for this question will be 5. Don't forget, whenever you are solving these type of questions, definitely you have to follow BODMAS rule. Without following BODMAS rule, if you are going to solve these type of questions, definitely you are going to lose marks here. Definitely you have to follow BODMAS rule. Okay. Now look at this question. This question is also based upon data sufficiency. Okay. So here we have some information and we have 2 statements. Now we have to decide whether statement 1 is sufficient or statement 2 is sufficient, or both are required, or both of them are not sufficient. We have to decide that. Okay. Look at the question. 6 people sit in 2 parallel rows. In row 1, J, K and L sit facing towards north. And in row 2, F, G and H sit facing towards south. Each person in row faces other person who faces G. Now question is, who faces G? Okay. Now look here. According to the question, 3 persons are facing towards north. Okay. 3 persons are exactly opposite and they are facing towards south. Is that clear? Now who are the persons facing towards north? J, K, L. 3 persons. Now facing towards north. F, G, H. Yes or no? Now what is the first statement? Now question is asking who faces G. To answer this one, I need to look at the statements. First statement, H faces K. But where is H, where is K? I don't know. L faces immediate neighbor of H. But where is L, where is H? I don't know. Which means 1 alone will not give the answer. Yes or no? Let us look at the second one. G sits at one of the extreme end. Now G is here. G sits at the extreme end. Either here or either here. G sits at one of the extreme end. J sits to the immediate left of L. So J is going to sit immediate left of L. So JL is here. Yes or no? Let us say example, J sits to the immediate left of L. I am taking L here. L can come here or L can come here. Both of them are possibility. If L is here, J sits to the immediate left of L. So this should be J. Okay. If L is here, J should sit here. J sits to the immediate left of L. Okay. Now, if this is L, if this is L, this will be J. Okay. Now question, look here. L faces an immediate neighbor of H. So L should face immediate neighbor of H. So L should face who? Immediate neighbor of H, which means this should be H. If this is H, L is going to face immediate neighbor of H. Yes. But observe here carefully. Question is saying H faces K, but here H is facing J, which means sitting L, sitting J, here is a wrong possibility. So JL can't sit here. If JL can't sit here, H also can't sit here. So other possibility of L sitting is, if L can't sit here, L can sit here. If this is L, this should be J. Yes or no? J sits immediate left of L. Okay. Now according to the question, what it is saying? According to the question, L faces an immediate neighbor of H. So L should face immediate neighbor of H. Now H can't sit here. Why? Means H opposite is K. So definitely H should sit here. Now look here. L faces immediate neighbor of H. Condition satisfied. H faces K. So this is K. Now here if you observe, G can't sit here. So definitely G has to sit here. Left out person is who? F. Which means I am going to get the answer only if I combined both 1 and 2. Individually if I check, only 1 not sufficient, only 2 not sufficient, but when I combine both of them, I am going to get the answer. Yes or no? So who faces G means To say this answer, definitely both 1 and 2 are required. So 1 and 2 together, 1 and 2 together is sufficient to mark the answer. Is that clear? So first option is going to be an answer. Next question, look at the next question. So this question is based on numbered series. Okay, numbered series question. Observe here, 58, 179. What is the difference? 58, 179 difference is going to be how much? 121. Here difference we don't know. Here difference we don't know. Here difference, look here, 492, 688. What is the difference? Difference here is going to be how much? 196. Yes or no? Difference is going to be 196. Now observe here carefully. 121, 196 if you observe, this is 11 square. This is 14 square. Now if you observe, which means this should be 12 square, this should be 13 square. Now 12 square means 144. Yes or no? 13 square means 169. Yes. Which means if I need to know what is this number, for 179, I need to add 144. So 179 plus 144, if I add, answer is going to be how much? 323. Is that clear? Just simple. If you observe 121, 196, it is very clear that both of them are like perfect square values. This is 11 square, this is 14 square, which means between it should be 12 square, 13 square. Yes. Now 179 plus 144, which is nothing but 323. Is that clear? Next one. Here we are asked to find odd one, okay, which does not belong to the group. Okay, so here we have 4 options. Out of 4 options, one option is different, odd. We need to find what is that different one. Excel, Keynote, PowerPoint, Word. It is very clear Keynote is going to be an answer. Why? Excel, PowerPoint, Word, we use this in Microsoft. Yes or no? But Keynote, we use it? No. So what is the reason? Answer for this question is Keynote. Next one, look at this one. This question is from coding and decoding. Okay. Paint is written as 80. Drop is written as 59. Market is what? This is the question. Now I want you guys to solve this question. So this is homework. You guys need to solve this question. Just sort it out. Take the numbering for those letters and find how you are getting 80 for paint, how you are getting 59 for drop. Once if you know the logic, the same logic you can apply for market and find what is the answer for this question. Okay. Look at the next one. Here, observe here carefully. So I think here the information is missing. Yes, just a minute. Here the information is missing. I am going to write these letters. L, E, Z, U, P, Z. This is the question. So L equal to 3, E equal to 1, Z equal to 2, U equal to 5, P equal to 4, Z equal to 6. Now they are asking, observe here carefully, select the option from the following 4 possible arrangement of these numbers that form a meaningful word. Look here, by using these letters, we need to form a meaningful word. Now select the proper order to get meaningful word using this letter coding. Okay. Now observe here, when you look at the letters L, E, Z, U, P, Z, what word, what meaningful word we are going to get out of this? Now we observe it is very clear that we can get the word puzzle, P-U-Z-Z-L-E. Yes or no? P-U-Z-Z-L-E. Now what is P? P is 4. What is U? U is 5, which means option should start with 4, 5. Look here, option starting with 4, 5, option not starting with 4, 5, option not starting with 4, 5, option starting with 4, 5. Z means what? Z means we have 2 chances, either 2 or 6. Yes or no? Z means 2 or 6. Here we have 1, which means this is wrong answer. So Z means 2 or 6 means here we got 6. So this is 6. Again Z, this is 2. L means what? L means 3. E means what? E means 1. So answer for this question will be option 4. 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, 1. Is that clear? And don't forget, this is the exact question came in CGL Tier 2 examination. Next one. This is question based on figure completion. Okay. Now, in this question mark place, which option is going to come? It is very clear that answer is going to be option A. Why the reason here is, actually, this is a closed one. Yes or no? Like this. Here if you observe, there is a gap. Yes. Here if you observe, there is a gap. So this is wrong answer, this is wrong answer. Actually here if you observe, this is a straight line, but here if you observe, here we have dots, it is not a straight line. Yes, this is also wrong answer. So right answer is going to be option A. Is that clear? Next question. this is from letter series QW space RTQ space FR. So some series is given. Now we need to find which option is going to exactly fit the series. Now observe carefully. Here we have QW, RT. Here we have QW. We have T, but there is no R. Let's keep R. Why? The reason is QW, RT is there, so that is the reason. Here we have RT. Okay. Now observe here. QW, RT. QW, RT. QW, RT. QW, RT. Actually, if you observe here carefully, this middle one, what is going to come? Let's forget about that. Okay. But here it is very clear. QW space RT, QW space RT, QW space RT. Yes or no? Now based on that, QW should be last two. Last two should be QW. No. Wrong answer. Last two QW. Okay. Last two QW. No. Wrong answer. So last two QW. Okay. Okay. Now before QW there is R. Here before QW R. Now this is okay. Before QW this is yes. So this is wrong answer. Yes or no? So answer for this will be option 3. Okay. So this question is based upon letter series. So here we have QW space RT, QW space RT, that is a series. Now using that series you can easily find answer is going to be option 3. Next one. Now this question is also based on mathematical operation. So let us find which option is going to satisfy the given condition. Whenever we have these type of questions, I told you to check with division operation first. So here division operation 21 divided by 3, yes, 21 can be divided by 3. So this option chance is there. This option is also chance is there. Here if you observe division last 2 divided by 23. So 2 divided by 23 is not possible. So this is not possible. So option 3 is wrong answer. Next, here we have division operation 36 divided by 2, yes, it's exactly divisible. So possible. Now answer should be first option or second option or fourth option. Now let us verify. So first option 21 divided by 3 minus 36 into 2 plus 23 equal to 68. Now first I need to apply BODMAS rule. So division operation 21 divided by 3 means this is going to be 7. Minus 36 into 2 is going to be minus 72. Minus 72 plus 23 plus 7. When you do this, obviously our answer should be a negative value. Why? The reason is minus 72 is a bigger value. Answer should be negative, which means answer should be negative. But is it negative? No, it's not negative value. So first one is wrong answer. Okay. Now let us look at the next one. Next one, if you observe 21 divided by 3 into 36 plus 2 minus 23 equal to 68. Now if you observe here, 21 divided by 3 is going to be 7. Now 7 into 36, now this is going to be how much? 252. 252 plus 2 minus 23 equal to 68. Will it come? No. Why? The reason is 250 is already a bigger number. Now from a bigger number, if I am going to subtract 23, now again it should be a bigger number. But it is showing 68, which means this is also going to be wrong answer. So definitely it is very clear that option 4 is going to be right answer. Very clear. If you want, you can verify also. If you verify 21 into 3 minus 36 divided by 2 plus 23 equal to 68. Yes. If you want, we can check here. 36 divided by 2 is 18. 21 3 times will be 63. 63 minus 18 plus 23 equal to 68. Yes. Condition satisfied. Yes or no? So answer for this will be option 4. Is it clear? Next one. Question based on paper folding and cutting. Okay. So this is the paper. First paper is folded in this way. Next paper is folded in this way. And then this cutting is done. Okay. Now question is asking, when we open the paper, how the paper is going to look. Now observe carefully. This figure should be there. Yes, it is there. There. So in all options it is there. Now when I open this paper in this way, it is nothing but mirror image. Now for this mirror image, yes, this is the mirror image. This is mirror image, this is mirror image, this is mirror image. Okay, mirror image is fine. But when we open it back, it is water image. In water image, what should happen? In water image, top should become bottom, bottom should become top. There is no change in left and right. Yes or no? Now we observe here, this is in the top. Now this should come to bottom. Yes, it is fine. Okay, top, bottom, everything is fine. For this one, it is the water image. Here if you observe, this is in the top. It should come to bottom, but it did not come to bottom. Wrong answer. This is in the top, it should come to bottom, it did not come, wrong answer. This is in the top, it should come to bottom, it did not come, wrong answer. Yes or no? Which means only option A is going to be right answer. Very simple. When we open it vertically, it is mirror image. When we open it horizontally, it is water image. If we know this logic, this question can be solved in just fraction of seconds. Next question. Which of the following letter clusters should replace hash and percentage so that the pattern and relationship followed between the letter cluster pair on the left side of symbol is the same as the right side of the symbol? Now, which means according to this question, they are asking, observe here carefully, according to this question, they are asking whatever the relation is there between these two, the same relation should be there here also, it seems. Now, which option is going to satisfy that condition? Let us look. First option, hash means B and Q. Let's say this is B and Q. Now, B plus 2 is a D. Now, similarly, if I do P plus 2 if I do, I am going to get R here, but here this is N, which means first option is wrong answer. Why? The reason is B plus 2 D I am getting, but P plus 2 I am getting R, but here it is N, so first option is wrong answer. Okay, now let us look at the next one. FHT. Similarly, NFJ. F if I do, if I do, how much? F minus 2, I will get a D. Yes or no? F minus 2, I will get D. P minus 2, I will get N. Yes sir, P minus 2, I will get N. So, first one is satisfied. Next, H plus 2, I will get K. Sorry, H plus 3, I will get K. Yes or no? H plus 3, I will get K. Similarly, C plus 3, I will get F. Yes or no? Condition satisfied. Next, T minus 2, I will get R. T minus 2, I will get R. Similarly, N minus 2, I will get J. Yes or no? Which means option 2 is going to be right answer. Yes or no? So, whatever the logic we are following here, the same logic is applicable here. So, answer for this question will be option 2. Is that clear? Next one. This question is based on ranking. All 32 students in a class are standing in a row facing north. Akash is 12th from the right end, while Priya is 18th from the left end. How many people are standing between Akash and Priya? Very simple. In this question, they are saying Akash is 12th from the right. From right end, Akash is 12th. Priya from left end, 18th. So, 12 plus 18 means 30. Out of 32 people, we have 30. Now, question is asking, how many people are there between Akash and Priya? How many people are there? Out of 32, I got already 30. So, remaining is 2. So, answer for this question will be 2. Is that clear? Very simple. Next one. This is embedded figure. So, I need to find this figure in the given options. Where can I find this figure? It is very simple. I can find this figure exactly here itself. Yes or no? So, option A is going to be the answer. Very simple. Just fraction of seconds, nothing more than that. So, this question is based upon syllogism. Look at this. All P are G. So, all P are G. Next, some G are B. Some G are B. Next, all B are C. All B are C. Now, let us look at the conclusions. All P being C is a possibility. Look, all P being C is a possibility. Yes, all P being C is a possibility. It's the right answer. Yes, all P can be C. Next, some P are B. So, this is P. This is B. Do we have intersection? No intersection. Wrong answer. Some C are G. Look here. This is C. This is G. For CG, there is intersection. So, right answer. Next, some G are P. So, this is G. This is P. GP, there is an intersection. Yes or no? So, this is also right answer. Yes, 1 is right, 3 is right, 4 is right. Now, where is the answer? Here answer is given in a reverse way. Only 2 does not follow. Only 2 does not follow is nothing but 1, 3, 4 follows. Yes or no? So, answer for this question will be option 3, which is nothing but only 2 does not follow, which means remaining 3 are going to follow. Yes or no? Next question. Look at this one. This question is based on cause and effect. This is also part of critical reasoning. Okay. Look at the statement 1. This year, college X reduced the cutoff marks to 50 from 60 for the entrance exam. So, college reduced the cutoff marks from 60 to 50 this year for for entrance exam, it seems. Now, obviously, this is effect. So, something happened. That is the reason cutoff reduced from 60 to 50. Okay. Next one. In the last 2 years, the Students' Union in College X has been actively negotiating with the college administration regarding the quality of food and health and hygienic standards at the college canteen. Now, look here. This one is also effect. Yes or no? Why the reason is Students' Union is negotiating with the college management to provide good food and good healthy environment in the college, which means this is also an effect. But if you observe here, both of them are having no common cause. Yes or no? Both of them are of different causes, but both are effects. So answer should be what? Both 1 and 2 are effects of independent causes. Yes or no? Both are effects. First one is effect, second one is also effect. Why means cutoff reduced from 60 to 50? It's an effect. Students' Union is asking, negotiating with the college management to provide the good food and good healthy surroundings in the college. It is also an effect. Both of them are effect, but for independent causes. So different causes. Okay. So answer will be option 3. Next one. This question is based on blood relation. Okay. Look at the question. A hash B means A is the brother of B. A at the rate B means A is the daughter of B. So you know how to solve these type of questions. I just shared a shortcut with you. Question is asking how is D related to M. So D related to M. Let us look at that. And means what? Husband. And means husband. B is husband of M. At the rate means what? Daughter. Husband's daughter. Husband's daughter is nothing but daughter. Now, daughter's brother. Daughter's brother is nothing but son. Yes or no? Daughter's brother is nothing but son. So answer for this question will be son. So how is D related to M means son. Is it clear? Next one. So this question they are asking us to find odd figure. Odd figure. But unfortunately, if you observe this question, look here. Unfortunately, if you observe this question, look at this one. It is very hard to find which is odd one here. It is very hard. Why the reason I am saying this is, here if you observe, the design here, the design here is same. But here the design is again different. In these two, design is different. Which means, based on this design, 3 are same, 2 are different. Yes. Similarly, based on this, here outside, outside. But look, inside, inside. Outside, outside. This one, inside. This is outside, outside. Inside, inside, inside. So if you observe here, there is no common point which is same for 4 figures, different for 1 figure. Yes or no? That is the reason actually we can't find what is the different one in this figure. Okay. If you want, you can observe, there is no problem. You can also check it whether you are able to find it or not. But according to my observation, I am thinking that due to the unevenness of the figures, we are not able to decide which is the odd one. Okay. Next one. So here if you observe, this is similar to analogy type. Here we have 2 format. Now whatever the logic that is applicable here, the same logic should be applicable here also. Now we need to find which option is going to have the similar logic for that is applicable for these two. Okay. 5, 25, 30, 16, 256, 272. Now which option is going to have the similar logic? Now look at this one. This is 5 square. 30 is nothing but 5 square plus 5. And now this is 16 square. This is 16 square plus 16. Yes. Now similarly, which one is going to satisfy the condition? 15 square 225, 225 plus 15 will not give us 230. Wrong answer. 9 square 81, 81 plus 9 will not give 109. Wrong answer. 19 square 361, 361 plus 19 will not give us 381. Wrong answer. 13 square is 169. 13 square plus 13 will give us 182, which means option 4 is the right answer. Is that clear? The same logic, whatever that is applicable here, the same logic should be applied here also. For which option it is applicable? Option 4 is applicable. So 4 is the right answer. Is it clear? Next one, we need to find odd figure out of this. So here we have 5 figures. We need to find which is odd one. Look at this one carefully and find which is odd. If you look here, this is dark, right side, right side. This one bottom, top. This one bottom, bottom, left side, top, top. Observe here carefully. This one right side, bottom, bottom, left, top, top. But here this one, if you observe, here one is in the bottom, other is in the top, which means this is the different one. Where is such option? Bottom, top. So this is going to be a different one. Is that clear? So option A is going to be right answer. Next one. This one is analogy based question. So we need to know what is the logic here. The same logic we need to apply here also. And we need to say what is the right answer. Is that clear? Now look here. P is here. From here to here if you observe, P came to this triangle. Yes or no? Similarly, if this is K, K should come here. Yes or no? Look, K came here, but it is reversed. Yes or no? Actually, P is same. It is not reversed. So this is wrong answer. K came here and it is same as K. Okay, this is fine. K did not come here. K came here, but circle is missing. So this is also wrong answer. It is very clear. Option B is going to be a right answer. Is that clear? Just observation skills. These exact questions came in CGL Tier 2 examination. Look at this one. This question is based on coding and decoding. In a certain code language, the word clock is written as 413, 17, 412. How you will write phone in the same language? That is a question. Observe here. Here if you observe, in clock, in phone, both of them we are able to find letter O. Yes or no? In clock O is there. In phone also O is there. In clock O is in the middle. In phone O is in the middle. Now observe here. O means what? 17. Similarly, in our answer also, O should be 17. Which option is having 17? Look, 17 we have only one option. Option 3 is going to be answer. Very simple. If you want to know further, C means what? 3. 3 plus 1, 4. Similarly, P means what? P means 16. 16 plus 1, 17. Look, 17, 17, 17. Yes or no? Like that. L. L means what? L. L means how much? L means 12. 12 plus 1, 13. Yes or no? Either you can check in that way and you can mark the answer, or simple logic. O 17. Similarly, O should be 17. We have only one option. That is nothing but option 3. Is it clear? Next one. Question based on coded inequality. Very simple. We can solve this type of questions just by looking at the question. This is the statement and these are the conclusion. First one, H equal to F. This is H, this is F. HF relation is H less than or equal to F. It is not H equal to F. Wrong answer. Next one, JG. JG relation is J greater than G. Yes, J greater than G. Right answer. Which means only conclusion 2 is true. Only conclusion 2 is true. Option 3 is the right answer. Is that clear? Even you can also try this and you need to say the answer. If you know the concept, if you're strong in concept, definitely you can solve these questions by using just concept. Without using your pen and paper, you can solve these questions. Yes. Now I'm looking at the question and directly saying the answer. How am I supposed to say answer directly without using pen and paper? How am I supposed to say means, if you are strong in the concept, what are the shortcuts I'm saying with you? What are the shortcuts I'm sharing with you? You just follow the shortcuts. If you're going to follow the shortcuts, then definitely you can also solve the questions without using pen and paper. Yes, it's true. Next one. This question is from non-verbal listening, series based question. Look at this one. Initially it is in this way, facing up. Next 45 degrees clockwise. Next 45 degrees clockwise. Next 45 degrees clockwise. Next 45 degrees clockwise, which means this arrow should face down in this way. Yes or no? Arrow should face down in this way. Now which one is showing arrow facing down in this way? Which option? Look at this. Option D. Yes one. This one is facing down. Yes or no? Option D. So D is going to be right answer. Is that clear? Next one. So this one is question from critical reasoning. Okay. Here we have a statement and we need to conclude an inference from the given statement. What is the statement? National Expressway A is the widest expressway and is used by few people. While people find an empty and wide road, people drive at high speed which lead to accidents. So this is a statement. So it is saying that National Highway Express A is having wide roads. When there are few people and there is no traffic, people try to drive at over speeds. That's what the statement is saying. Now what we can conclude from that? What is the inference we can deduct from that? We need to say, first one, all accidents happen due to overspeed. Is that true? All accidents are going to happen only because of overspeeding? No, we can't say this. Yes or no? Now based on the given statement, can we say that all accidents will happen because of overspeeding? No. So first one is not the inference. Next one, high speed increase the risk of accident. Yes, when we are traveling at high speed, there is a risk of accident. Yes or no? So second one is the inference. So answer for this question will be what? Only conclusion 2 follows. Okay. So only 2 follows is going to be the answer. So inference is something what we can logically deduct from the given statement. So according to the given statement, I can deduct only there is a high risk when we drive at high speed. But we can't say that whenever you're traveling speed, there is always accidents are going to happen. We can't conclude that. Yes or no? So 1 is not the inference. We can logically say that only 2 is the inference for the given statement. Is that clear? So we have solved total 30 out of 30 questions. As I have told you, 30 out of 30 questions can be solved in just 18 minutes of time. And definitely that is possible for you also once you are going to learn all the concepts and all the shortcuts, whatever I am going to teach in the classes. And if you are going to practice them, definitely it's possible. Okay. And as I have told you, we have complete course for bank SSC railway combo. So bank SSC railway combo, students who are preparing for bank exam, SSC exam, railway exam, definitely this combo pack will be helpful for you. In this combo pack, we are going to teach all the subjects from basic level to advanced level. We will teach arithmetic, reasoning, advanced maths, English, banking awareness, computer awareness, current affairs, strategy, history, geography, polity, economy, physics, biology, chemistry, everything will be taught from basic level to advanced level. Total 850 hours of classes, and we are going to provide you topic quiz mock exams, full length mock exams, PDF materials, everything we are going to provide in this batch. And in this batch, it's a complete package which will be useful for all bank exams, all SSC exams, all railway examinations. So if you're looking for all the competitive exam preparation, definitely this combo pack will be helpful for you a lot. So this batch is available in 6 months and this batch is available in 1 month also. 1 year also. Next, if you're looking for SSC special batches, whether you're preparing for SSC Cgl, SSC Chsl or SSC MTS or SSC CPO, any batch, you are looking for SSC, that is a tier 2 or tier 1, tier 2 combined, we have special batches for SSC also. In these batches, we are going to cover complete syllabus for SSC, arithmetic, reasoning, advanced maths, English, history, geography, polity, economy, physics, biology, chemistry, everything we are going to cover. And this will be almost 650 hours of video lectures. And we are going to provide you PDF material, topic quiz mock exam, full mock exams, everything we are going to teach from very basic level to advanced level. Once if you are going to follow the classes and if you are going to practice, then definitely you are going to crack any SSC examination. Yes. Next is bank. If you are looking for bank examinations, if you are a student who is preparing for bank examinations, we have bank course also. This will be useful for PO and clerk examinations, for prelims and mains, both of them. This course is also available. Course price for this one is 3,600 rupees. Okay. And similarly, if you are looking for railway, you know that very soon in railway, huge vacancies are going to come. So this is the right time. Don't wait till the notification is going to announce. This is the right time. Start your preparation. Railway target batch we have launched. In this batch, we are going to teach almost 450 hours of classes. Exclusively in this batch, classes will be based on the railway examination pattern. All the syllabus we are going to cover. We will teach each and every subject from basic level to advanced level. We are going to provide you topic quiz mock exams, full length mock exams, PDF materials, everything we are going to provide in this batch. And this batch course fees is 3,500 rupees only. Okay. And we have special batches for arithmetic, reasoning, English, advanced maths, general studies, and we have arithmetic, reasoning, advanced maths batch also. In this batch, I am going to teach complete arithmetic, reasoning, advanced maths from basic level to advanced level, and I'm going to cover all the chapters which will be useful for all the examination, whether you are preparing for bank, SSC, railway, CSAT, defense, AFCAT, any examination, whatever it may be. I'm going to teach each and every topic from basic level to advanced level. Almost I have taught 450 hours of video lectures of all the chapters combined together. Almost 78 topics are taught, covering around 7,777 questions in this batch. We're going to provide you PDF material, topic quiz, mock exams all in this batch. This batch will be available in 1 month, 3 months, 6 months and 1 year also. If you are seriously preparing for SSC exam or railway exam or bank exam or CSAT or defense, any examination, if you're looking for the right platform with best examination oriented approaches, examination oriented concepts, exam oriented shortcuts, Chandan Logics is the right platform. You can experience it rather than I am saying it. You can just go to application, download application. Application downloading is free of cost. You can watch demo videos for free of cost. You can see all the faculty demo videos. You need not pay any money for that. It is completely free. You can watch all the demo videos for free. If you are satisfied with the demo videos, only then you can join complete courses. If you have any doubts or if you need any help, you can just contact below numbers. Thank you. All the best. If you're a serious aspirant and if you're looking for the right platform to achieve your dream job, immediately download Chandan Logics app. For more details, contact below numbers. Thank you. All the best.